Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and I'm going to show you how I air fried my shrimp. This is just a common, easy to find brand of shrimp. It's 23 ounces. So I used my air fryer 390. I did 11 minutes, and I took them out and kind of shook every 3 minutes or so. You can see how crispy and golden brown that is directly out of the air fryer. There's some other suggestions saying just use a single layer, and if you did that, especially with this air fryer, you may have to do more than one batch. So I just did this to optimize time, or to minimize time rather, and it came out perfectly crispy. You got that golden brown color, but obviously you don't have the grease that you get with traditional frying. So if you're like me and you want to fry an entire bag of this, you know, just a quick and easy treat, make you some homemade cocktail sauce to go with it. You can check out my other video for that. This is my homemade cocktail sauce, but yeah, just a really good, inexpensive and easy air fried treat. I want to remind everyone, expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order the air fryer and all the accessories. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. I'm going to have to go eat these shrimp. Hey y'all, Captain IrixGuy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.